Welcome to Technology Paul. Today we're going to be diving into the world of smart home technology with a detailed review of the Roomba 694. As a fan of smart home tech, I've been eager to explore the capabilities of robot vacuums, and the Roomba 694 caught my eye during a Black Friday deal. This model isn't the top of the line offering from iRobot, but it promises to cater to basic home cleaning needs, which is precisely what I need. The Roomba 694 steps into the arena as a budget-friendly option for those looking to automate their cleaning routines. Our main floor, often cluttered with dust and debris from frequent cooking in our kitchen, as well as just the debris that comes in from people coming in through our front and back doors, seemed like the perfect testing ground. The idea was simple. Can a robot vacuum handle the daily sweep that this area demands? Upon unboxing, the Roomba 694 impresses with its sleek design and user-friendly setup. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a smartphone app, the control of this little cleaning machine is literally at your fingertips. You can start the vacuuming process with a simple button press or even through voice commands, thanks to the integration with Amazon, Google, and Apple assistants. Tell the Roomba to start vacuuming.
Sure, starting the Roomba.
Tell the Roomba to go home.
Got it, docking the Roomba.
My first real test for the Roomba 694 was after a chaotic birthday party for my son. Imagine a floor littered with crumbs and small debris, a true challenge for any vacuum. The scenario was perfect to assess its performance under pressure. Right off the bat, it's clear that the 694 follows a bump and run approach. It doesn't clean in a predictable pattern. Instead, it navigates by gently bumping into walls and furniture. Despite this seemingly haphazard approach, it's equipped with sensors to avoid damaging collisions with objects or walls. The 694's advertised obstacle avoidance is more reactive than proactive. It tends to bump gently into objects before steering away, rather than detecting and avoiding obstacles from a distance. This model also features an edge sweeping brush, ideal for cleaning along walls and counters. And it also boasts cliff detection to prevent any disastrous tumbles down the stairs. During its inaugural run post-party, the Roomba ran for about 1.5 hours before self-docking, signaling the end of its cleaning cycle. However, the job wasn't completely done. Certain areas, like around the kitchen table, were missed completely, while other areas were covered multiple times. The lack of a feature to direct the vacuum back to missed spots is a notable limitation, especially when compared to more advanced models like the Roomba i5, which offers precision navigation and room mapping for more targeted cleaning. For pet owners, the 694 might not be the best choice. It lacks the pet waste detection and avoidance feature found in models like the J5 and J9. As a non-pet owner, I'm not sure how often this situation comes up, but I can imagine it might be a total disaster if your robot vacuum ran over your doggy's doo-doo while you're out at work. Another thing you might run into is the Roomba occasionally getting stuck. I've used it for about a week now, and so far it's gotten stuck twice. Once was because it sucked up a sock, which is totally understandable. The second time was kind of weird. I got a notification on my phone that the Roomba was stuck near a cliff, which is an alarming notification to receive. However, upon checking, I saw it simply sitting on the edge of a rug. That's a silly anecdote if it happens once, but an annoying habit if it keeps happening. However, one of the 694's strengths is its scheduling capability. You can set it to run automatically at designated times each day. I'm still trying to find the best schedule for me. We ran it at night initially, but it kind of woke us up with all the noise it was making downstairs. Honestly, the Roomba 694 stands out as an okay budget option in the robot vacuum market. It handles regular dirt and debris effectively with good suction power. The ability to schedule cleaning sessions or initiate them on demand using an app or voice assistant adds to its convenience. However, its lack of advanced navigation and logical cleaning patterns means it occasionally misses spots. I also find that if you let it run a full cycle, it takes a long time to vacuum our small floor plan on our main floor. This makes it difficult to schedule because you need about 2 hours for it to run. You could let it run while you're at work, for example, but I work from home, so 2 hours is a long time to listen to a vacuum. While it may not boast the high-end features of its pricier counterparts, the Roomba 694 represents a step towards easier home maintenance. It's a worthwhile investment for those without complex cleaning needs or pets. However, for those with more specific requirements or seeking more advanced navigation and features, exploring higher end models might be a better route. In fact, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I found that for me personally, I want one other advanced feature, which is zone cleaning. As I noted after the birthday party, we often have the most debris and crumbs in our kitchen and dining area. And most often, I'm going to want the Roomba to specifically clean there. So I'll be sending this one back and looking to go up the product line a bit. That wraps up my review of the Roomba 694. What do you think of this budget robot vacuum? Have you tried it out, or are you considering a different model? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And I've already ordered the Roomba i5 combo vacuum and mop for my next review. So eventually you should see that video on the side here somewhere if you want to check that out as well. And don't forget to subscribe to Technology Paul for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest in tech. From smart home gadgets to smartphones, I've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting tech journey. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.